Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're going to be discussing the form TM87, that's Thai Immigration's form number, and it's an application for a visa. It basically looks just like this. Got even more here with respect to photos and whatnot. What is this documentation used for? Well, let's be clear. Embassies and consulates outside of Thailand, so embassies and consulates abroad, they have their own protocol for dealing with immigration and visa matters. In fact, they're governed by the Ministry of Foreign Affairs, although Ministry of Foreign Affairs and the consular section associated therewith does liaise with Thai immigration. Thai immigration police are under the auspices of the Ministry of the Interior, so they're not exactly the same thing, and they do things a little bit differently. So what is an application for a visa? I thought you applied for a visa at an embassy or consulate abroad. Perhaps not. There are instances where individuals will come into the Kingdom of Thailand with a 30-day stamp, for example, a visa exemption, and they'll go ahead and seek a new visa in the kingdom. They'll seek their visa sort of in the kingdom. For that reason, you got to have an application form, and that's what this is. So an application for a Thai visa, I see these a lot in the context of a retirement visa. Folks will come over here on a 30-day stamp. Sometimes they'll go ahead and get an extra 30 days attached onto it. There's another video on this channel with specific respect to that. And those folks will go ahead and want to go over and get a retirement visa. This is one of the forms, one of a few, and a great deal of documentation associated with getting into that particular status. This could happen in business visa status, O visa status, etc. ED visa status in theory. That being said, as with many of these forms, this is deceptively simple. This is simply the form. There is a great deal of supporting documentation associated with the form, not unlike U.S. immigration matters where you have a few forms and then you have a stack of supporting documentation, especially an application for a visa here in the kingdom. You're going to be dealing with a great deal of documentation because immigration here in country is going to scrutinize heavily why someone came from abroad without a visa and is now seeking a visa in the kingdom. So the thing to take away from this video, yes, this is the form, but there's a great deal more associated with the overall process of remaining in the kingdom than simply this form. So take that for what it is, and we'll update you with more information as things progress.